Let me give you their names. Mheshimiwa Vanis, Mheshimiwa Brenda. She's excited, leave her. Mheshimiwa Damaris, Mheshimiwa Gaudensha, Mheshimiwa Brenda. Wow! You want to see her again? Yes. Mheshimiwa Nyams, Helen, Mheshimiwa Ege, Mheshimiwa Grace, Mheshimiwa Mama Sanaya, Mheshimiwa Evanine, Mheshimiwa Ninian, Mheshimiwa Ruth, and Mheshimiwa Rabera. Because of time. Give me another mic. You know, Wanim, the principal and the head teacher. When I comes out, Ivona meta walimu, a principal na umwalimu mwanene wa school ya primary, yare kanekaro actually siko. I've never spoke about politics. Tano kwa na yore ya siasa. Because I'm not a politician. When I come here, I only present the House of Governor Simba Arati. Now you have had so many requests. We always say information is power. In the assembly we have nominated MCS and they have elected MCS. Yes, the elected MCS in your ward is Mheshimiwa Pemo Mokua. If you want anything for ECD classes, every elected MCS have their budget. If you miss ECD class, if you miss bursary, Mheshimiwa Pemo's house is just near there. But if you want things to do with classrooms,